encourage all of you to do the best. That's what you're entitled by Mother Ghana to do. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, I want to associate myself with my colleagues who have thanked all of you. One of the strengths of the Ghanaian is that we care for each other so much, especially when there is an incident of this nature. That is where you see the beauty of the Ghanaian. We rise up to the occasion and we collaborate to support our own. And the display that we carried out right from the time the incident happened yesterday till this very hour is one typical example of that beautiful character of the Ghanaian. Most of you have been standing on your feet working right from yesterday until right now in the face of some challenges. You continue to work just because you want to bring comfort to our compatriots who were unfortunately caught up in this event. So for that matter, we want to say Ayiko to all of you. It is God Himself who will bless all of you, bless your families for this patriotic act that you are carrying out. One major challenge whenever it comes to emergency response has to do with the fact that we are different emergency response teams working together for the same purpose. Because we have not had the opportunity to do several simulation exercises and all that, the tendency usually is to have a lot of overlapping duties here and there and that kind of thing, and sometimes slight conflicts between the emergency response teams. So I just want to draw our attention to all of us that we should try to collaborate, work, bring our synergies together for the purpose for which we are here. I believe if we continue to work collaboratively together, we will achieve our aim. And we have done great so far. We need to just continue the work direction and continue to work together, collaborate together, see each other as partners in this whole affair. We are team members. It just happens that we are from different agencies. So I encourage all of you, let us continue to work together. That is the lesson that I have to do. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
I say, I go. It was really a disaster. We were able to control within a day. I had very relevant points that were made in terms of hazmat. We are seeing it as a challenge. But with the education, as somebody emphasized, we will continue to educate the public, educate ourselves, so that we will be able to reduce some of these incidents that are happening on the roads. I'm aware fire personnel or police personnel used to escort. Somebody was mentioning it. I'm very aware. like the use of the court, like the tax, carrying example. So we continue to encourage and we also make sure that we enforce the law. I also want to encourage you. I will continue simulation exercises. When we are able to simulate constantly, regularly, at least we'll be able to reduce that kind of problems that we encounter during fight accidents. So I encourage the districts, the regions, please try to come together so that you'll be able to operationalize your standard operational procedures, so that when such a thing happens, you know what you have to do. Every agency knows what to do, and not to be crossing with time. I'm very happy. Everybody is very happy because we've been able to bring the whole thing under control. And in fact, even those on the sick bed, they are very happy with their treatment.
Colleagues, whatever I want to say had been said. So I have nothing to say.
Are you motivated?
Motivated, motivated, motivated.
Are you motivated?
Motivated, motivated, motivated.
Pastor, now you must talk, sir.
So he has motivated me. Oh my God. But it is very simple. I didn't want to say anything, because my silence was to tell you how much we appreciate you. Giving you the opportunity to tell us the experience you've gone through managing this disaster up to this point is to tell you how much we value you. So I wanted to depend on only that, not talking, and the opportunity for you to express yourself in terms of sharing your experience with us as a basis for expressing the appreciation of the leadership of all the agencies involved to you for your unalloyed commitment and patriotism to humanity by what you have demonstrated from here exactly 24 hours ago. Because looking at it, since the incident happened, we are talking about 24 hours. And such an incident with such a magnitude, we've been able to deal with the first phase of the disaster management process in a manner that we consider very commendable. And if there is anybody to be appreciated, then I can tell you, it's you guys. Those of you who happen to be on the scene the very moment the incident happened, those of you who travel through the night to get here to provide additional support, those of you who have been working for 24 hours non-stop in an environment without food, without water, without a place to keep your head even for an hour in order to re-energize and come back, without good reception even to link up to your family. And if you come here and we don't appreciate you, on behalf of the President, we appreciate you. On behalf of the leadership of the various agencies that you work for, we appreciate you. On behalf of the people in this community that you have come to serve selflessly like this, we appreciate you. On behalf of the good people of this country, we appreciate you from the bottom of our hearts. if this is not a demonstration of patriotism, if this is not a demonstration of somebody who shows that he loves human beings, in effect, it's not a demonstration of somebody who is humane. If this is not a demonstration of somebody who felt that it could have been me, and therefore let me do all what I can to bring relief and comfort to the affected people and the communities thereby. If this is not to be valued and appreciated, then in this world, I don't know what else needs to be valued and appreciated. So on that score, my colleagues and I, who came from Accra and outside this jurisdiction, we want to stand and give you 99 for your work. And you will say, your officers stand, today is about them, we'll give it to them. And in fact, we are giving you 99. You have already appreciated our 99. So that for the first time, you are going to experience 132. So, there we go. One, two, 132, don't get it wrong. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, we go. Thank you very much. We are proud of you. Get back to work. We'll keep supporting you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
This is a